I am so excited that we are hosting a Foundation Repair Essentials class that you do not want to miss. This class has 3 free CE credits and free lunch. What's better than that? But more importantly, this class was one of the best classes I have ever taken as a real estate agent that helped me to be a better realtor and a better advisor for my clients. It taught me the differences in the different kinds of foundations, how they were built differently in different eras over the last few decades, how to know what to look for in a house, how to negotiate repairs. It was probably the best class I have ever taken as an agent that really made me a better advocate for my clients. So you do not want to miss this class. Additionally, the class is being taught by Brian Ramon of MBR Foundation. He started the company 33 years ago and is with the premier company in our area for foundation repair. He started the lifetime warranty program. He's the one that started the seller being able to pay for the foundation repair at closing. He has been instrumental in the entire industry, and you're not going to get a better chance to learn from a top professional. You do not want to miss this class.